in a major intelligence-led nationwide operation undertaken with the active assistance of Kerala and West Bengal police against known fundamentalist jihadi global terrorist organization, the Assam Police Task Force has apprehended and arrested 8 fundamentalist jihadis, including one Bangladeshi national from Kerala, thus unearthing a terror module which was preparing to strike at our country. Operation Praghat was launched after a detailed and prolonged examination of intelligence inputs regarding the clandestine anti-national activities being carried out by a group of individuals under the direction of one Muhammad Farhan Israq, a close associate of Jasimuddin Rahmani, the chief of Ansarul Bangla team known as ABT, which is an affiliate of Al-Qaeda in the Indian subcontinent, that is AQIS. A Bangladeshi national, Muhammad Saad Radi, alias Sab Sheikh, a resident of Rajshahi, Bangladesh, was sent to India in the month of November 2024 to spread their nefarious ideology, create sleeper cells, and initiate violent and subversive activities. Saad Radi visited both Assam and Bengal to set up sleeper cells. He activated earlier sleeper activists of the Ansarul Bangla team ABT and then moved to Kerala for a similar purpose. Based on this imminent threat and inputs, STF Assam, the chief of which Dr. Parthasarthi Mohanto, who led the operation, is sitting with me, lodged an FIR wide PS case number 21/2024, the details of which you will get in the handout. On the night of December 17th, 18th, operations were launched across the country, that is in West Bengal, Assam and Kerala, and 8 individuals were arrested. They are Muhammad Saad Radi, who was arrested from Kerala, Minarul Sheikh and Abbas Ali, who were arrested in West Bengal, Nurul Islam Mandal, Abdul Karim Mandal, Mujibur Rahman, Hamidul Islam and Imanul Sheikh, who were arrested in Assam. The first 4 being from Kokrajhar and Imamul Sheikh being from Dhubri. Incriminating documents and evidences, including technical evidence found on them and seized from the arrested accused, show constant communication over the last 2 months with their handlers in Pakistan and Bangladesh. They show suspicious apps which were used for these communications across the western and eastern border. Incriminating text with distorted religious beliefs relating to jihad and fundamental activities, both in technical and hard form, have been found. Religious books with disruptive narratives regarding jihad, 4 pen drives which are being examined right now, a Bangladeshi national card belonging to Saad Radi was found in the house of Nurul Islam Mandal. On Nurul Islam Mandal, on Saad Radi were found a lot of, can I have that paper please? Were found his own certificates and various documents of Bangladesh. We picked up another 4 persons during the investigation for inquiry. However, they were released as no evidence has been found against them yet. The revelations show that these people, since November when Saad Radi entered, were working towards establishing sleeper cells. The plans that they had were to initiate violent and subversive activities that included assassination of Hindu organization leaders, RSS leaders, fomenting communal trouble which would disrupt and destabilize the region. They were exploiting vulnerabilities, religious ideologies, sentiments and fault lines to create a network that would be capable of creating chaos. The arrested accused were in touch with Farhan Israq, a Bangladeshi national who was their handler, a close associate of Jasimuddin, as I mentioned, the ABT chief, and directly being controlled by him. The cell was being directly controlled by him. It's also interesting that Nurul Islam Mandal had been arrested earlier in Dhaligaon PS case number 161/2015. He was arrested in 2015 for similar activities and was currently on bail. Mandal along with Mazibur Rahman visited West Bengal and conducted a lot of sessions with a lot of youth where this kind of ideology was disseminated, and they tried very hard to set up sleeper cells. We are now working on the rest of the evidence to see who else was involved.
Nangni jangi tangani sawa cherong bata. Nangni gisik mathaneng. Thaneng de aga nonga prni chagate exercise karongbo. Niba gisikte agan ska ondisa tusiko. Dao thaneng aga nenga gito komi chabo benan sengi donggen. Niba gisikte skjainga. Wa maman salanti parata charonga. Mamung jade. Thaneng agan skainga. Kenal mai bada kaba sabisi ko mane mang chana mansran jago de mailap. Nan thong salat tuchi chuliat bo. Niba giskan manija. Chao de gemmkon sagene chansia. Anseng gemmakan masya. Ya to chini bakari ko agri chao de anseng be na namja. Niba mai dake. Anseng chansia chao ra ngara malasa malagen. Wagen. Angara film star aro Olympic kalak barongja. Niba to kari chini chani ko komiat chao de. High blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, diabetes, Macron ka komiani, karong tenostong ani. Yan oni jepong naman again. Aru yarang niya sel, nikani rara kuman gen. Chani rangani mamong unja, di ba plak nang nijang itangani o. Gumakon nang sakya genop. Kena nangani kundi masir ka ba? Tau di yan ansing na altu patat genop. Tau di nang ni tanong ko sakselat po ha. Ansing ni salantini chaani o toko komiat na nangode. Dalo ansing ndita chaigang ode. Kasin sinuko komiat poha. Aro batita ba salang ni jamano, aro untisa komiat kubo. Kari komiat na bi apsan kun jarak po. Bijak songmuteng sumayo, kasin sin komiat na ranta karongbo. Aro salad, doi ba bitirang ode kari kon srang na be. Natsa baksa chinir nga ma, mamong ja, rangay bo. Hindi ba? Ata chamos komiat tirang bo. Aro ate di sal jaman? Masi jokon ba? Unigaman chanchi bo. Nangni salantini jangi tanganio dagdag prako sawa chienga. Nangni kari, chini, aru to chani ko ta aloni komiat na abaching boka.